Hello, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional, not in today's newspaper on Thursday, March the 14th, 2024. No, it's the yesterday's newspaper, Wednesday, March the 13th. Because in the newspaper of today, we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the yesterday's newspaper. And I've already solved one puzzle, the letter Sudoku. So two puzzles remain, the Jigsaw Sudoku and the Two Stars Sudoku. Yeah. Let me continue with the Two Stars puzzle number 8192. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 30. That's a lot. 30 should be a 0 stars. 0 stars. I need to be faster than 40, maybe 30 minutes. We'll see if this is a 0 stars or 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright. Question is this a 2 stars or 0 stars puzzle? So let's get started. Alright, 1 minute and a half already passed. Okay, which number can I pick? Let me see. 4, 4, 6. There's a lot of 6s here. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column 3, now need to place left 6 should be here. Or there we have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the third. Oh, we have already a 6. 6. Cannot continue with the 6 now. Need to wait. 7. Oh wait, 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column 3. Only two places left. 7 should be here. Or there we have a 7 this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. Need a 7 here. Okay. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So that row, the only two places left. 7 should be here. Or there we have a 7 this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the third column. 7 in the second column. So the first column, only two places left. 7 should be here. Or there we have a 7 this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places left. 7 should be here. Or there we have a 7 in this column. Last column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 7. Okay. The 2 in this column. First column, 2 in the second column. So the fifth column, the only place left, the 2 should be there. The 2 in this row, the 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left, the 2 should be here. 2. Okay. 2. No. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places left, 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2. Cannot continue with the 2 now, need to wait. How about, let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and 8. We have a 1 and 8 in this column, so no 1 and 8 in these two boxes. 1 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. Okay. About these two missing numbers in this column for the letters, for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. Okay. Then need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 in this row could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those two boxes in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Need a 9 here. Okay. Then 1 and a 3. Well. thinking. Come on. 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 in these two boxes. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 in that box. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Need a 5 here. Alright. 5, need a 3, 4. 3, 4. Well, and 8. Okay, and now let me see. The 9 in this column, first column, 9 in the third column, so the column between, second column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the first row. No 9 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 3 and a 9. We have a 9 now in the second row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and 8. We have a 1 in the first row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. So 1 is left in this first row. For number 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 box left in this second row for number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8. 3 and 8 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then need a 5 here, need a 5 there. Okay, need a 5. 6, 5, and the 3. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next down, the place left on the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for number 6 and the 5. 6 and the 5. So we have a alright. Then need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 here. Okay. 1, 6, 5. Let me think. Need a 6 there. Okay. 4. 4. Come on. Need a 3 here. Well, 3, 8, and 5. Need a 5 there. Come on. 3, 8, and need a 4 here. In this first column, we have 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3, 4, 8. 3, 4, 8, 3, 4, 8, 3, 4, 8. And look, we have 3 and a 4 in this row. No 3 and 4 in this box. 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 1 digit left in the first column for number 8. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. And then 5. So 2 numbers left in the third column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 5 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 in the third last row, 4 in the row above, so that row the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column 3, now only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 4. Then I need a 1 here, need 8 here, And I need a 3 here. Oh, here. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there, 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above. Only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. This is number 3, number 3. 2 numbers left now in this big square for number 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, no 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So on that row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. This is number 4, number 1. 2 missing numbers in the last column. 4 numbers, 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and 2 goes there. 8 in this row. 8 in the row below. So the last row, only 2 places left. 8 should be here on there. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column 3 and only place left for the 8 should be there. And I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 2 boxes here, also 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. 6 and a 5. We have a 5 in this big square. So here can be 5 anymore. This box should be the 6. And 1 box left in this column for number 5. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 2 goes there. Finished in 12 minutes. Well, 0 stars. And we solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the third puzzle, yeah. Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.